Hello guys, this is Latias and Latias, and for today's video, I decided to bring you the completed update first, and then part 3 will feature the two mangas that are not going to be featured in this video. So, I got this bag here, and the manga that I'm going to be showing you last is in there. So, the complete series that I got is, Black Arf. I almost called it Butler again, because it's my second time recording it. Because I forgot 2 volumes upstairs in my room. Because as you know, I like to show you the whole complete series when I complete anything. Manga, anime, doesn't matter. Even TV series, which I only own Charm. The whole thing, actually. So what I'm showing you is just these. Because I like to show them. And I like how they go into color scheme. You know what? I just noticed something. Now that I look at each I didn't notice this until right now, but so far, if you've noticed, they feature both of the characters on the cover. I didn't notice that until right now. So here's 8. Here's the volumes that I forgot upstairs. Now we're seeing individual, and that's pretty interesting. So I forgot volume 9 upstairs and 10 upstairs. Right, 11. Interesting. Now there are more individuals. Now we're getting into like the other people. I really did not pay attention to that, honestly. 13. Yes, 12. 13. 14. We've got the brothers over here. And now we've got them again. 15. 16. And 17. So only certain volumes did not feature them. Again, that's kind of weird, but... Okay. Oh, I almost fell down. Or not fell down, but I almost did that. That would not have been fun, now wouldn't it? So here is volume 18, the last... I like how there's a big thing that's telling us that's kind of looks distracting. Final volume. That's hilarious. So, because this is a final volume and stuff, I'm just not going to say a lot. I want you to enjoy this. Okay, I kind of forgot that happened, but I went too fast on it, so it should not be a problem. Wait, did that say final story? Yeah, final story arc. So that is their kid right there. And apparently when she had the kid, her mobility, I think that's the right word, her walking, they were, I thought she wasn't going to walk again when she had her kid, but she is thankfully kind of recovering from it. And there was this one scene where their kid, I keep calling it kid because I don't remember the name. Yeah, you see, I can't seem to move my legs. Is it this part? No. And the kid is like, why is my mom walking this? And Kyo got so mad he almost, yeah, like that. I think that's it. Yeah, but then she came between them. Now that is very tough. I kind of want to slap Kyo in the face for that. But thank goodness she stood in the way and he didn't do that. So you guys, here's the ending. This was pretty nice. That was really cool. And there you have it. And we have a little extra thing. Whoa, he did something sexy there. So, wow. I actually am happy that it got a good ending like that. You know, not one of those, oh, this is a fucked up ending. Or, oh my gosh, this leaves more to be. Because you don't... Oh, I didn't notice that until right now. You don't get that in a lot of mangas these days, sadly. So I think that ended nice. I like how it ended like that, showing them three at the ocean. Just this one scene that I just told you about where he almost hit him. If the kid wasn't there, he probably would have slapped him, honestly, yeah. So otherwise, good series. Well, if you particularly care about ups and downs, meaning back and forth, and stuff, I totally recommend it regardless. It's still good. I like the ending. I keep repeating myself on that because it's nice. And, ooh, wow. Look at this, man. You don't get a lot of manga that has a lot of color scheme like that, I'd say, huh? Holy crap. It's like color just exploded. So, there you have it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. And like I said, personally, I recommend this series. Just be careful though, because like I said, it does go back and forth. He acts up, she acts up, and like keeps crying and just, you know, one of that series. So there you have it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will be seeing you right there. Yeah, I kind of covered it by mistake. So bye bye. Manga, I mean. Part 3 next. So bye. Blackbird. Hi, I almost called it Black Butler. Oh, I really should shut the hell up.